What you think?
I think it's amazing. I'm having fun. Are you having fun?
So much fun.
We're here at Medina's Bistro, and I think it's a breakfast spot, but guys, look where we are. Chimney Rock. So we will take you guys through Chimney Rock today. It's probably gonna be a mixture of iPhone and our Sony vlogging camera footage. So we're gonna go check out this place though. Okay, bye.
Okay, bye. Four Seasons.
Alright guys, so when we first drive in after paying for your ticket, you come to a little fork in the road, and this is, as you can see from the sign, tells you where we can go.
Where we always stop first before we do anything is the restroom, of course.
Oh yeah. So,
always.
Like we said, we can go straight to the restroom, so if you need to go, you can go right here real quick.
You need to go?
Yes, I do need to go.
Okay.
Okay, so after going to the restroom area, we're driving up this long trail. Well, I don't think it's too long. This little trail here, and we passed a rock climbing place, it looked like, and then we are going up to the parking. So we'll also include a screenshot or a picture of the map so you guys can take a look, and then we'll also link a Chimney Rock page with the map and just the overall overview of Chimney Rock.
And we met some guys driving a nice little Jeep, so we know they're good people because they drive Jeeps. But we met them and they told us we should get some really nice footage. And today's the first day in about 5 days that we've actually seen the sunshine.
Oh yeah.
Like that. What was that Kid Rock song? Anyway, so we actually see blue skies and stuff like that today, which is gonna be great to actually get up here. It's definitely a little warmer, but it's still 71 degrees according to the dash. So much cooler than back home.
And then also another thing to note is when we're driving up, as you can see, there's actually little pull-off spots for picnic areas and little grills. So that's another thing if you wanted to pull off and eat a little lunch or grill something out. I don't know if they're reserved or not, or if you have to pay, but technically we paid $17 to come in here. The admission fee was $17.
Yeah, $17 a piece for adults, and that's all day. So to get your money's worth, there's really, you know, I asked the lady at the front about the restaurant up here. She said it opens at 10 o'clock, and she said if you go to the right of the gift shop, they're having like a birds of prey demonstration all day today. So she said that she thinks that they have like hawks and owls and stuff like that. I asked her if there was any bear spottings, and she said she has not seen any bear. But you know what? There's a first time for everything. So our goal is to see some bear, at least I hope this weekend.
Okay guys, so we just arrived. Parking is, as you can see, behind me. And we are walking up to Chimney Rock.
And I think they just did a big parking renovation. I've been following them on Facebook. So everything we're walking on, I believe, all this is new.
Oh, and guys, check out the view that you get as soon as you arrive. So that's actually, huh, maybe, but we'll take you guys, like we said, this will kind of be clips and snippets here and there, because sometimes it can get a little bit skinny, the trails can, and I know not everybody likes to be on camera, so we want to be respectful of those around us as well as social distancing.
I didn't realize we could park up here.
Oh yeah, somebody didn't read the map. Okay guys, so we made that little cement hike, and where is it? There's Chimney Rock, and this is the gift center, and Sky Lounge up above, and then you can actually take an elevator over here. Puppies! So you can actually take an elevator that I will show you right over here. So for a point of reference, that's where we parked, and here's the elevator. So you can actually take the elevator, and then you have to tell this attendant right here. They also have Cliff Dwellers, Macy's, Cave, and Restrooms. And then they have...
Somebody just asked, and he said, a little kid, somebody just asked, and they said, do you have to get tickets? And they said, no, you just go on up.
Yeah, so that's the Cliff Dwellers gift shop and souvenirs. Oh, they have dog bowls. And then the awesome coin things. I don't know if you guys did that as a kid, but I used to get pennies everywhere. I have a lot of Six Flags Louisiana. Actually, those might be collectibles now since it's shut down.
Yeah.
Also, this amazing overlook before you even get to the top. What else is telling me? Oh, they also have more restrooms, you guys. So we've counted 2 restrooms so far.
Yeah, these look a lot nicer. Okay, so one thing we've noticed so far is you can barely fit 2 people on these stairs, so we're having to contend with that. All right, so far, we still got to go that far. And if we're not mistaken, I think that's Lake Lure, which is where we're gonna live one day.
So we made it to the top. You get hand sanitizer.
That must be for full body because this ain't absorbing.
And there's a map that you can reference. And we have kind of like that lounge over there. It's got food, sandwiches. I think it does have alcoholic beverages. And we have an overlook. And we also have the stairs to Chimney Rock to go on top. And what is this? I think that is Exclamation Point Trail. So that's the beginning of Exclamation Point Trail right here. That is. But we're gonna go ahead and go to the top and we can show you guys. Oh, there's the opera box. And then that is Exclamation Point up there. So, we are at the top of the mountain. So, Chris is actually over there talking to another fellow South Carolinian. So, we'll end it there, you guys, and we'll show you some more.
Not gonna lie, I'm out of shape. So, we're gonna check this Skyline Trail out next. Skyline goes all the way over and to the top. Then there's nowhere down. You gotta come all the way back.
Yeah, which is why we're gonna go back and then take the elevator down.
Exclamation Point that we just did is right here. Okay, and then we went all the way up. That probably took, what, 20 minutes?
Yeah.
So that's probably at least 45-minute hike.
Alright guys, so we're here at
2,590 feet. What was it called? Sky Trail?
yes, Skyline Trail.
This is Hickory Nut Falls.
Top of Hickory Nut Falls.
Oh, that's what those are.
And here we are, guys. So that took us what, like an hour?
Yeah.
Hour and a half?
Well, no. Should take an hour and a half total to get here and back. So
Yeah.
I think about 45 minutes.
So this is it, you guys. Okay, so this is the Sky Lounge. And to go in as of September 2021, they are having COVID rules. And if you do have service dog, they are service dog friendly. Not emotional support, but service dogs. So let's go in. Alright, so as you walk in, again, some COVID signs. And you walk in and they do have ice cream. They have food options. They also have little toy things. So, souvenir shop. And then they have more merchandise. They have plenty of cold waters. And if you are the type that likes souvenirs, this is definitely the place for you. So anywhere, you can spend anywhere from $89 all the way up to probably a good 90s. Oh yeah, they do have ornaments. Yeah, so this jacket is $48. But they also have ornaments. So I know in the other videos we showed you, we always like to get an ornament from wherever we go. So they have ornaments here. And I like that one with the little bear. That one's pretty cute. But they also have t-shirts, of course. T-shirts usually run, let's see, $28. Little keychains.
A lot of stuff in here.
Oh yeah, and they have music even. Mugs. And let's see here, what do they have? Oh, they also have restrooms. That's another important thing to mention, is that they do have restrooms here, located in the very back, and they have elevators. Well, a elevator to take you down. Again, COVID protocols, so, and I think just for safety, no more than 8 people in the waiting or vestibule at a time. And if you guys want to hashtag Chimney Rock, you can do that. And they also have a place to check out. And this in here is AC, so you can definitely come in here and still get the view, but it is AC. So we're gonna go ahead and get some water, and then we'll check back in with you later. All right. Ooh. So guys, we are again at the Sky Lounge, and then that is the Chimney Rock place, and we just got done buying food, and food was not too bad. I think it was $12 or so for everything. And this is our food over here. So I got the hot dog, and he got oh, it's pretty good. Turkey. So this is the Nice cave. Looks like it is nice. It's a nice cave. Only one party at a time. So,
Well, I guess we can go this back there.
I guess. Alright guys, we're gonna go in here.
Oh boy. This was one of them.
So, this is the back cave, you guys.
Okay, that goes on a long way. I can't even see the bottom of the flashlight.
Oh dear. Alright you guys, so we are here after we ate at Hickory Falls Trail. And this is a, let's see, it says a 1.4 mile round trip, so 45,
Moderate.
yeah,
But
moderate.
there's chasing waterfalls.
So this comes all the way over there. So
We're up here. This is
yeah.
where we were.
we were up there,
Oh.
so now we're gonna come here. But that's the trail.